Hi guys, just doing a little bit of an update video of one of our projects for student accommodation in Bellville in Cape Town. So I'm going to take you through the place and I'll show you what it's all about. So there we go. It's two houses, one on the left, but I'm not going to go into there today. We haven't started anything there yet. On this side we've got the other one. You can see quite a lot has been happening, lots of things being stripped out and cleared out. There's our neighbors working over there. We already got into a bit of trouble because of all this rubble, so we have to clear everything out, finish up 7 days from now, so we don't get fines and get into trouble with council. And we want to be on the good side of council, so yeah. Some more rubble here in the garage. So long term this garage will become a living area. We're going to close up these doors, put some windows on this side, windows that side, and a door, so you can sort of see there, door that's going to become there, go in there, that's going to go into the kitchen. So let's go inside the house. This is the main entrance, that's going to be the main entrance. And here you've got a little bit of work on the foundation. There was a crack there, so we had to make sure that it gets sorted and fixed up. So we're busy doing that. This used to be a lounge with the main entrance sort of being here because they didn't use the other one. But we're going to basically close that door so that there's only one access point for security reasons. And then let me show you where the kitchen used to be, although they stripped everything out already. This used to be the kitchen. We're going to close it up. You'll see here from there, that wall there, to there somewhere. I'm going to close it up, and it's the kitchen. You're going to enter through a door that's going to be around about there. And then this kitchen is big enough for laundry, for a table, for stoves, tabletops, whatever it is that's going to be needed there. And then this used to be the dining room. So this dining room area here, we're going to close up, and that's going to become a room as well. This was see where the yellow wall is over there? That used to be closed. We just created an entrance there now so that you have a hallway that goes straight through all the way to the back. And this is the first bathroom. So it was a mess. So we've already cleared off all the tiles and stripped things out and so on. And then this side is room 1. It's got cupboards in there, which is still serviceable. We'll have to just clean it up a bit. This used to be the main bedroom. Basic cupboards, which we can make pretty again. And then this was another big bathroom. And here we will be, see there's some holes over there. We're going to create a door there and another one on this side, and this is actually going to become two bathrooms. So that's two self-contained bathrooms. So it's going to be a toilet, shower, basin. Okay, here's just another room. This one doesn't have any cupboards, so we're going to have to put some in. And then here we've got a small room that'll just be for one person. And there you've got your bathroom, little ensuite, which we will obviously clean up and make pretty. And then in here, there's the holes where the door's going to be. Oh, excuse me, it's very dusty in here. Sure. There's 2 rooms here, but it's just locked at the moment because there's some guys that's working here that's staying there. And then this used to be another kitchen. This will be taken out. It's not taken out yet. We're going to try and salvage these cupboards for the other house to create a bigger kitchen on that side. And then this will become a room. And we're going to be closing this side off as well. This used to be the lounge. And that's also going to become a room. We've been running this now since January as student accommodation. So I'm just going to take you on a quick walkthrough of the actual house, and I'm going to show you how it was done. This is the final version. I've got some before videos as well on YouTube that you can have a look at, but you can see two houses. There was one on that side, another one on that side, and that one was all offices that we converted to accommodation. And that one is another house. You'll see about there used to be garage doors that we closed up, and we made it a common room, which you can see when I go inside. This is the entry system that we use, a number pad with a slam lock, and we've got it on battery operated, so with a bracket like that. So we've got it on battery operated, so in case there's no electricity, then the system will still work. We're going to go into this house over here. It's currently empty. We're getting ready for the students to return after lockdown. This is the double garage that you could see from the outside. I use this big fridge. It's about a 1.8, 1.6 meter fridge. And there's the TV set. I do Netflix for the student. This is how we generally communicate. So there's some stickers up there and a board where people can write issues, and you can write communication to people coming in. This is one of the triple rooms. You can see 3 beds like that, and there is a bit of space for tables and chairs. And then we just use these standard cupboards over here that they share. So you'll see there's some drawers there at the bottom. That's for one student, and then this one cupboard over here has shelves. So that's for the other students, and then they share the hanging space. Right, so the beds I've got here from Strand Mattress. These mattresses, they are quite thick and heavy, and they cost about $1,000 each. I think on normal prices you're going to pay about $1,312 for those beds. These are wooden beds that we just whitewashed and so on. These plastic chairs are quite nice and sturdy, so we give a plastic chair and a table in every room. These little tables here, one without a drawer, just a little nook, is about 400 rands. And then we also give like a little bin, a paper bin for every room. And this is a standard room. We also have electricity prepaid in every room. So we put a certain amount of units for every student, and if they go over that, they have to pay themselves. So if they want to do a heater or something in their rooms, they're going to run out. This is the bathroom. I don't do baths, just showers. And here's a double room, exactly the same setup, some curtains over there. This one has a bit more cupboards. This was in the house when we bought it, we just made it nice. You'll also see here on the door for every room there's also a little board. That's just whiteboard chalk paint that we put on the doors for communication. And then here's 2 more bathrooms, and the house goes all the way to the back. And here's just 2 more examples of double rooms that I've got. Same setup, same beds, mattresses, and also the cupboards. And this one as well, you can see the little table fits nicely into the room. This one has a single cupboard, but they still share that happily, no problem. Well, maybe not totally happily, but they manage to share. And I sometimes give these little bar fridges that they can rent. or if there's not enough fridge space in the house, then we'll give bar fridges. Here's the kitchen. Now the kitchen, you'll see just a rack for vegetables. I put like little nooks like that, so each person has a little space for their own food. It's not locked up. And then I do stove plates. I don't do ovens, and they just use the stove plates. And then there used to be 2 microwaves up there. And then I like to use these big commercial fridges, especially in a house like this one where you can have close to 20 kids. And then this is the freezer space, where you can see quite a lot of space in there. And then also we give these little plastic boxes. Let me show you these ones, for them to put some of the messier food in. So that goes straight into the freezer or the fridge, so that it doesn't get messed up. Whether they use it is another question, but it's there and we do provide it. And that's it for this house. And I'll go quickly see if I can get into the other house. Courtyard. So that's the house that I just came out of over there. See, there's a little garden here. Here's the other house. And we're going to go in here through the back door. Going down to the kitchen. This is a bit of a smaller kitchen over here. Needs a bit of a clean. But you can see I've got 2 smaller fridges with a freezer space at the bottom and a washing machine over there. And they all use the same washing machine. Right, now there's a bathroom here at the back, which is open like this. So it's got 2 toilets at the back over there, and it's got these 2 shower compartments, so that you can, this is like a shared bathroom for males. This house is mainly used for males and the other one for females. To the front of the house, right, so here we've got, this is the little sitting room and TV. So there you can see bathroom, and there's another one over here which has a shower, a basin and a toilet. So this house has basically 4 toilets and 3 showers and a little sitting room, and that is what we use. So there you have it. That is the house. In total there's 20 students on that side and 16 on this side, so 36 students, and we usually do our numbers on a little bit lower than that, but that's basically what you get here. The one house also has a garage that you can drive through to the back, so you can see over there, more than enough parking. Not that anybody ever required any parking, but you can, there's enough parking on this property to have that if need be. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned a bit from this. Bye.